How to scan QR code on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can scan QR code on your iPhone. Now before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. So there are two ways you can scan QR code on your iPhone. The first is by using the QR scanner, which will be available in your control center. So simply swipe down from the top right, and there you should find this icon. If you don't find it, what you can do is tap on the plus icon on the top left, then tap on Add Control at the bottom. After you do that, there you'll find Scan Code option right here. Tap on that and add it to your control center here like this. You can place it wherever you want. And after you do that, what you will then need to do is simply press on it. Then you can find a code to scan. And that's one way of doing it. The other is by simply using your camera. Now, sometimes the settings are turned off. So let's head over to our settings. And on the settings, search for camera. Then right here, you'll find an option that says scan QR codes. Make sure to toggle this button on. And after you toggle the button on, you can simply head over to your camera app and just place a QR right below here. And then finally, it will simply scan the code. And that's how you do it. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like.